that. Huh? So this is the segate, and there is some problem. So we opened this. It's a hard disk inside, and then you have to check your cable first. This is the cable here, the card. If not, you have to open this very gently, and then you have to remove this very gently, That's it. So the problems can be in this. You have to change the other piece, and then, or you can fix this inside the CPU with the help of the engineers, and then you can recover the data. These are all the only small solutions you can do, and then I will let you know how to fix it again. If you change this piece, can definitely will work 80%. You change it, example, you fix it correctly, you assemble correctly again. I assembled it again, back that, and you fix it correctly inside. Yes. And now you close it with this. I'll show you. I'm very happy to show you this. You have to sit it correctly. All the locks very gently. That's it. In the another video, there is another video how to fix inside your another CPU and things like that. So you don't try yourself, call the engineer and you give them an idea. Once it's open, not still work, you change the spares, try it with another way, and then maybe problem solved. Otherwise, something more inside, deeply inside the hard disk. But don't worry, okay? Nothing you lose. You have a life, beautiful life. Enjoy. Something is happened, it's okay. Relax first. 2-3 days you just relax before you take another step. And then when you relax, everything is fine. Okay? Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Peace from TV.